So here we have 4/7 divided by 3.6. Let's write this down. We could convert 3.6 to a fraction. You can go 3 and 6/10, or you could just multiply the numerator and denominator with a 10, which means you're not changing anything because 10 over 10 is a 1. Okay, so what do we get? We have 4/7 divided by 36 over 10. Now, if we had done it the other way, 3 and 6/10 would be 3 times 10 plus 6, the whole divided by 10, which is 36/10. Same thing. Okay, so either way, now since we've changed it to a fraction, we can change division to multiplication and flip the fraction. 10 over 36, so it's 4 times 10 divided by 7 times 9 times 4 is 36. The reason why I split this is because I see 4 as a factor of 36. 9 times 4 is 36. So we cancel the 4's. Nothing else cancels because the only factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So we have 10 divided by 7 times 9, which is 63. And this is a proper fraction. Now, since the question says we need to convert it to the nearest hundredths, so I'm going to divide 10 by the denominator 63. Remember, the denominator sits outside. I'm going to put the decimal point 0. When you subtract, you get a 10. Bring the 0 down. 63 goes once into 100. So this becomes a 9. That becomes a 0. So we have 37. Bring another 0 down. So 6 is a 36. So 60 times 6 is 360. So 63 times 6, let's see if it's too big. 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 6 are 36, 378, which is too big. So we're going to go 63 times 5, which is 5 times 3 is 15, 6 5s are 30, plus 131, which is 315. So 63 goes 5, not 6 times into 370. So that's 315. 63 times 5, we subtract. We subtract 10 minus 5 is 5. This becomes a 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. We bring the next 0 down, 550. 63 is close to 60, so let's see if that'll help us figure out how many times 63 goes into 550. 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. So 60 times 8 is 480. And 63 times 8, 8 3s are 24. 8 6s are 48, 49, 50. So that is 509. So it goes 8 times. Subtract to get a 41. So it really doesn't matter because we do not want to go any further. We want to round it to the thousandths place. So that would be 0.158 ... But when we round it to the thousandths place, the hundredths place, we need to see the thousandths place. The question says round it to the hundredths place. So we have just calculated the thousandths place, and that makes it 0.16. So we are using all the skills and techniques that we've learned in chapters 3 and 4 in this particular problem. Let's double check. I'm going to use my calculator to check if the calculations are right. So 4 divided by 7 divided by 3.6 is correct. Now let's just move on to the next problem. Or there isn't another one. Okay, so the important thing here is if you're working without a calculator, and if you see decimals and fractions mixed together, I think it's a good idea to turn the decimal into a fraction. And because you're familiar with multiplication of fractions, multiplication and division with fractions, where you simply cancel common factors, division changes to multiplication, you flip the fraction after the division sign.